Great time because we did not really think of it being so interactive, but then it's really cool because I'm having my exams tomorrow, but still I came here because I thought that it would be exciting, and yes it is. We got to interact, and we got to know how it is when we get videos online, and how to target people based on what they need and what kind of videos they long for. So learning all this, it was nice, and the
session was really nice.
Session is over. We have attended and we have learned how to spread gospel through media by creating videos. So after a heavy lunch, we are back here and ready to attend the second session. More to explore, more to learn. So let's wait for it. What is ahead of us?
Ada Eric Victor Nja Shong Sapo Laban Lawa Lompering Ban Ngelawan Hne Bat Kei Kejing Toy Ngayo Ne Kalong kuminga khna kalong ba phla ban yo snoi ne ke ne ba bang pa ju snom nom non re kalong chung so tana ban yo pa de ka jing na jing starting ba ki ne ka first section ka bang la shong ki gai kum no ban yo ya ta ka thong la ne ka chung thmu jung pi kum no ban yo ba ring ki bru ki bala sakama na no ble ban tan ga ki ba shkalinti ka ba dai mo tang ta re shibon.
Hello guys, I'm really excited to come to the end of the Beyond Selfie. Now why Beyond Selfie? Like we have been using social media, we've been using a smartphone, but it's all for our benefits. We are used for our own utility, but for the very first time we organized this 2 days workshop called Beyond Selfie because we want to take it beyond our utility. We want to reach out to people using a digital platform and a digital tool. So Beyond Selfie is a 2 days workshop where we would like to maximize young potential who are interested on media, on social media, and use the talents to reach out to many through Yes He Is. Now, what is Yes He Is? Yes He Is a digital project funded and run by Christian Vision Global. It's a digital project to share our faith online. So we encourage young people to just download the app Yes He Is. It's available for free. It's a free app where you can download it from your App Store or Google Play, and you can use it to share your faith online through a video content. And we also create a community in the app where you can interact, you can read blogs, you can also share your opinion, your view, your personal struggle, so on and so forth. So good to share about Yes He Is. Remember, just download and share faith online. Thank you so much.